The most different thing about flowers than vegetables is that we have to harvest every day.
Every day.
Yeah, because the harvest stage is really precise, and if you don't harvest at that stage, you're gonna cut in the vase life that the flowers having. So we want to get the optimal vase life. This is our quality, stamp for our clients. If they buy flowers from us and they last super long, this is the best. So this is what you want.
Okay.
So there's not much variety that you can leave in the field and say, I'll come tomorrow,
So every day it's a commitment.
Yeah.
And the flower growth is influenced by weather pattern, sun,
Same
all of
thing
that.
as vegetables.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the typical bed prep of a flower bed? Is it the same?
Same thing.
Broad fork and then amendments and then...
Exactly the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like it's true that I don't know anything about flower farms.
But I learned from you, and I took everything that I learned and I put flower on it. So.
And it works. So I see that you use a lot of tarps.
Yeah.
That's how you prepare your soils?
Yeah. Normally we do like a dance with the tarps and we cover things that are, that are done. But since this year, everything was all planted out. So there was flower everywhere. But now we've reduced this year. So this part was with tarps like pretty much half of the summer until now. So it's just because we don't know what we're gonna do with the extra land that we have now. I think we're gonna do jachère. I don't know in English, but
cover crops,
cover crops or whatever. Yeah.
Full year or half year? Do you think?
I think full year.
Full year.
Yeah.
For the weeds or for the fertility or for?
For everything that's good for the soil and the environment.
Yeah, I know that you have a big commitment to soil ecology and no-till, and you're big into that.
Yeah, I try my best not to to put like soft methods and to love my soil and everybody that's in the soil.
Yeah.
I'm learning every day on the subject. I'm not a geek on it also, so I get bits of information and I try to apply it, but it's the time, it's the resources, it's everything. But yeah, I would like to get better at this, but it's super important. Yeah.
Chloé, do you also calculate the revenue per square, the revenue per bed?
Yeah, we did this. Yeah.
Is it a big difference between some flowers and others?
Yeah, there are. Yeah, but if some flowers they support others in a bouquet.
You need them.
So you need them. People like them, and they're like. You cannot do, for me, only the big.
The money maker.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it's the same for veggies. You have a little bit of everything.
That's it.
So you sell your tomatoes.
And you get a garden that's healthy also, because you don't have just a few crops that gets devastated. This is the OG.
Yeah, the OG. Oh yeah, the original. It's still working really nice.
Perfectly.
Perfectly.
Yeah. We bought new tools, and it's like this is the one that you gave that I bought from you, and the rotary plow. And still running great.
The old Troy built.
Yeah.
So it's really the same thing.
So it's all the same things, except like we use a lot of metal rods.
Yeah, metal rods.
For the support nettings of the flowers. But the seedling tables, like everything is the same. The row covers, P19. Yep.
Cool.
Yeah.
And also I'm curious, like when you compare, flower farming, vegetable farming, like let's say ballpark kind of revenue per acre on something that's like this and well done, is it comparable? Is it lower? Is it better? Let's say you sell everything, like you assume that you sell everything.
That's the detail.
Yeah,
it's like how you can plan of making money, and then how can you really make it, selling your product and pushing it. So last year was our biggest year, and we're on 1.5 acres here, and we did 384,000.
Oh yeah.
But we could have done more.
More.
You know, because flower per stem, you know,
It's worth a lot.
Yeah, it's worth more
Yeah.
than vegetables.
But you could have done more, but there's a little bit of luck and just
By
like,
vegetables, people need them.
Yeah.
Flowers, you have to sell them. You have to, you know, push them and get people to say, oh yeah, okay, I'll buy flowers. It's gonna be nice in my home, and I'll be happy, and yeah. So
Still,
that's the.
But it's a nice number.
Yeah.
Super nice
Yeah.
number. And do you think it takes long for somebody to learn how to have the proper staggering and to get to that?
But I hope that I can help with that with new farmers, that you know they can come to a point faster than what I've done. But I think with the right tools, it could be like 1 or 2 years that you're profitable. Yeah.
That's nice. Nice to pick up. Okay, and this is the
washing station,
okay, nice.
because we wash a lot of buckets.
Okay, buckets,
Yeah.
not flowers, buckets.
When we harvest, flowers goes in buckets with water, and then they go in the cold room. And then when we get them out to make bouquet, they go in new and you know, clean buckets with water. And then the bouquet are put in those new and clean buckets with water, and they're shipped to whatever place. So
Okay.
we clean a lot of buckets.
Okay.
And at first we had like a wooden pallet over there, and we would like wash like this. And it was like hundreds of buckets per week. So when we built this thing for the tools,
Yeah.
I was like, this is my space. I want to do a washing station, because we're going to use it so much. So we put like sale.
Sale quoi? C'est quoi sale? Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire?
Sale.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire?
Pas propre.
Dirty?
Dirty. We put like the dirty stuff over there. Then it gets washed. We know, you know, we hang the water pistol, and we have for everything we have a procédé,
Yeah,
a process. Yeah, for everything we have a process and protocol, and for the buckets also. So it gets done fast and efficiently.